Welcome to Pete's Knowledge Corner. Today in this video I am going to discuss about importance of nail care. From the time the child is born, his or her nails will need to be trimmed regularly for many reasons because babies can easily scratch themselves if their nails become too long and their nails grow so quickly that they need to be trimmed often. A good way to remember this is to check the baby's nails right after the bath so that the nails are softer and easier to trim. When your baby became a toddler, their nails do not grow very fast, but regular trimming is very important during this stage because toddlers and young children are very curious and constantly touching everything. It's easy for them to get dirt trapped under their fingernails, and that can lead to transmission of many diseases. Also, if a child's nails are too long, there is a risk of catching or snagging them on something. Potentially it may hurt themselves also. A common habit in children is nail biting, which can be prevented if nails are kept shortly trimmed. And also, children engage in various activities like sports or typing on the computer, and this is another good reason to keep the nails short. Children who are middle age can learn themselves how to take care of their own nails. So, before I discuss about the care of nails, I just want to say few things about nails just for the general knowledge. Nails are made of keratin, which is a hardened protein, and that is the same substance our body uses to create hair and the top layer of the skin. And we have our fingernails and toenails before we were born, and fingernails and toenails start growing until our U-shaped cuticle begins. Nails start in the nail root, which is hidden under the cuticle. When cells at the root of the nail grow, the new nail cells push out the old nail cells, and these old cells become flattened and hardened, and the newly formed nails then slides along the nail bed, that is the flat surface under your nails. And the nail bed sits on the top of tiny blood vessels that feed it and give our nails pink color. And fingernails grow slowly. In fact, they grow about 1/10 of an inch each month, and it can take about 3 to 6 months to completely replace a nail. Cuticle is the area where our nail meets our skin, and this cuticles helps to protect the new nails as it grows out from the nail root. And next, lunula, which comes from the Latin word moon, that is the pale half circle just above the cuticle which you can see, and this lunula is very easiest to see on your thumbnails comparing to other nails. In thumbnails it is more visible. So this is about nails. So first I am going to discuss about the nail care for newborns. If you see newborns' fingernails and toenails, it's very soft and flexible, and sometimes if it is too long, it may hurt the babies as well as others. So it's important to keep the baby's nails clean and trimmed. And newborns, they does not have any control of their movements, so there may be chances of scratching at their own faces. And for parents, this is a challenging task, and many parents are scared to trim their newborn's nails. So don't panic and follow the tips so that you can also care the nails of your newborn. The following are the tips to be followed while you trim very young baby's nails. Till the child starts handling nail cutter or nail clipper, parents should help the child to trim the nails so that injuries can be avoided. After age 9 or 10, teach the child how to handle nail cutter and teach them how to trim the nails. So here are the steps you can teach the child. So first, trim nails after shower. Don't use regular scissors to trim nails. Cut fingernails almost straight across. To keep nails strong, round a little at the corner. This will not damage your nails. To avoid ingrown nail of toenails, cut toenails straight across. Use a nail file to smooth the edges. If not, the skin can get scratches or nail may entangle threads causing wounds. And don't touch cuticle or push back cuticle as cuticle protect nail root. And then after hand washing, dry the hands well. Use sanitizer if water is not available after using toilet. Use lotion and rub on fingernails to keep them moisture. If not, the dry nails will split easily. After washing hands in the morning and night, apply the moisturizer. And if the nail is hanging, trim it as soon as possible. Otherwise, it can cause infection. And do not bite the nails. And especially for female child, get to know about the nail polish remover brand that you are using and try to limit its usage, because nail polish also harms cuticle and dries the nail fast. And the foods, you can eat protein rich, calcium and vitamin B7 rich foods like walnuts, almonds, lentils, dairy products, which helps to get stronger and healthy nails. Toenail care is also important as fingernails, and because children most time they play in the ground and meet soil or mud. If the toenail is hanging, it can cause serious injuries while they play. Cramped toes can lead to painful ingrown toenails. When buying shoes, make sure that toes have space to move. Confirm with your child that whether the shoes were comfortable for them, and also teach the child to wear fresh socks almost every day, because socks can also harbor a lot of bacteria and fungus that can cause nail infection. If summer, tell your children to wear flip-flop when going outside in the public places or stepping outside house, and it's better to wear shoes when visiting beaches, pools, locker rooms or public toilets, etc. Parents should be a role model for your children. Make sure that you also trim your nails and show them how it feels good, comfortable and clean when we keep nails clean. It's a healthy habit too. And check the nails of your child for any dark streak, infection or yellow nails, etc. If you find any of these symptoms, please contact the doctor, because our nails are very important and can even help the doctor to find out if you are healthy or not, and it's important to take good care of them. And it's not that hard. Here are some do's and don'ts of fingernail and toenail care which everyone should follow. So, keeping the nails trimmed is an important part of caring your child, and also this is the part of personal hygiene, and this habit will be continued throughout the lifetime. So, I request all the parents to teach your child about these nail care steps so that the child can have safe and healthy nails.